Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Btfd token. That is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. Now this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. It has a full audit, a KYC. Their pre-sale is just about to start in one day. It starts November 26th at 11 o'clock UTC time. And it goes all the way until March 26, 2025, 12 o'clock UTC time. So this pre-sale is just about to start. It has basically a cow emoji, or not emoji, a cow cartoon is the mascot, the profile picture for this project here. The token stands for buy the bleep dip. And this token here is just starting their pre-sale. It's an ICO on their own webpage, and some of those can be kind of sketchy, so we are going to check the audit, see what the score is on there. You can find this token listed on coinsniper.net in the pre-sale section, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project here. And this token here, their Twitter is at Btfd_coin. It says, for degens ready to buy low and stack big. Play to earn game coming soon. Join the Bulls squad. And then it has the contract address right there. Has a link to their Telegram right there at Btfd_coin on Telegram. And their webpage, btfd.io, and that's where you can get involved with the pre-sale if you want to do that. So basically, you just go over to that webpage right there, and we'll talk about how to get involved with the pre-sale in a second. So this Twitter joined in May 2024. They already have over 6,000 followers on Twitter, 182 tweets, and a blue verified check mark. And it says here in their pinned tweet, it says, meet the Bull Squad, the legends behind Btfd. Follow us for giveaways as we build the most hyped community in crypto. Don't miss out the Bull Squad. So they, if you go over to their Telegram, they have 903 members, 52 of them are online. So that is basically like the community chat channel. That's a great place to discuss the pre-sale, the token with other community members, ask questions, learn more. It says, official Btfd community, dive into the dip with us. Stay up to date on everything Btfd. Connect with fellow bulls and be part of the journey. No DMs from admins. Only official updates here. And then it has a link to their webpage. So if you head over to the webpage, it says the webpage also has a link to the Twitter and Telegram on there. So it says the meme coin for the community built to buy the dip. Think you've seen the best in crypto meme coins? Think again. Buy the dip is here to rally degens and savvy investors alike, bringing a unique spin to the meme coin world with a community-driven vision and a play-to-earn twist that's bound to turn heads. But this isn't just another meme coin. It's a call to action for everyone who understands the power of timing in the community of crypto. And you could put in your email, and it says sign up to be notified. So it doesn't look like the pre-sale is up to is up yet because it starts tomorrow. So it says, when is the pre-sale launching? We'll be announcing the pre-sale launch date soon. Stay updated, follow us on socials, and drop your email so you don't miss out on early access. So you put your email in there. They're going to update you on when the pre-sale will start. But basically, I checked it out on coinsniper.net, and it says it starts tomorrow, November 26, 11 o'clock. And it's a Ethereum token. And usually how these pre-sales work is that they have either the pre-sale box will pop up. It'll tell you the current price and then the next pre-sale phase price, and it slowly goes up in price as the pre-sale goes. So it's an incentive to get in early and get the token at a discount. You would connect your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet. You punch in, after you fund your wallet with ETH, you'd punch in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many Btfd tokens you get for that amount. You click purchase, and then after the pre-sale is over, you would claim your tokens. That's generally how these pre-sales work. Sometimes they ask you to send your ETH to the contract address, and then they send back tokens to your wallet during the pre-sale sometimes, and sometimes you'll have to wait till after the pre-sale. Sometimes they ask for your email and different information, like a phone number and something. So it all depends, but those are generally the three type of ways these pre-sales work, unless they're on pinksale.finance, which wouldn't be an ICO, that would be an IDO, that would be initial DEX offering. But for ones on their own webpage, that's generally how they work. But I guess you'll have to either put in your email or just wait till the 26th after 11 o'clock UTC time to see what happens on their pre-sale page. So it says it's a high-energy meme coin designed to empower those who know the market ups and downs and are all part of the journey. Built for the bold, Btfd combines the fun of meme coins with real utility, launching a play-to-earn game on Telegram that allows you to earn rewards by simply engaging. We're not just another token. Btfd is a movement, a reminder that dips are where fortunes are made, and our Bull Squad characters embody the spirit of buying low and aiming high. 18 decimal places on this token. It says community comes first. We're building a strong community of like-minded people who understand buying the dip and holding strong. Ready to join us. They have a huge frequently asked questions section, so check that out. Seize the dip, ride the bull. So I guess it's a bull, but it looks like it looks like just a cow. So their solid proof audit is linked on here. The team is doxed. It says they have they got a 93.3 score on their TrustNet score in their audit. And for, it says here, all good check marks there. No critical issues. That's good there. Scrolling through here. They just have one informational issue, so just be aware of that. 93.3% trust score, so that's not perfect. And then they have one informational issue, so that audit's not perfect. They are KYC'd, but, where there's not perfect audits, there is always risk. So just be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research before thinking about getting this token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.